Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 8. Welcome to your online session from Geeta Global School. We have done this story, Funny Bunny. Okay. Now come to the new words. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. नट मीन्स नट एक ड्राई फ्रूट होता है जो कि बहुत ही हार्ड होता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज आउच. O-U-C-H, ouch. Ouch, this is a word which symbolizes pain. Met, M-E-T, met. Met means assembled, किसी से मिलना. Okay. I am, this is the short form. We have write I am, and this is I will. O-F-F, off. W-E-R-E, we are. Okay. Now we will fill these blanks. One day dash a nut, the sky fell on Funny Bunny. One day, which thing fell on Funny Bunny? Yes, a nut. Funny Bunny wanted to tell dash the king, the cock, the sky, water. So Funny Bunny जो चीज़ें थी जो देखी थी उसने, वो किसको बताने जा रहे थे? Yes, the king. Who said these words in the story? So here some dialogues. So which dialogue said to whom? Ouch, the sky is falling down. Who said this? Yes, Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. Who said this? Funny Bunny. The king lives here. Who said this? Voxy Foxy said this. Follow me. Who said this? Voxy Foxy. Find the opposites of the given words and make sentences. Fat, fat का opposite thin. Fall, fall का opposite rise. Start, start का opposite end. Come, come का opposite go. And big, big का opposite small. And you can make sentences with your own self. You can Caesar very thin. And rise ka, the sun rises in the east. And this is the end of the story. Go, you should go to your home. Small, this thing is very small. Like this you can make sentences. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct word. Now we will fill these blanks. Okay. I read a funny story of a funny rabbit. One day a nut dash fall on his head. So which word will come? Yes, fell. A nut fell on his head. जब भी हम स्टोरी टेलर बनते हैं, जब हम स्टोरी किसी को सुनाते हैं तो हमेशा कौन सी फॉर्म में सुनाते हैं? पास्ट की फॉर्म में. Okay. He thought that the sky dash is or was falling. What word will come, children? He thought that the sky was falling. So he dash go or went to tell the king. So he went to tell the king. On the way he met different animals. All of dash join or joined him. Which word will come? Joined. At last they dash meet or met a clever fox. At last they met a clever fox. It took them to a forest and eat or ate them all up. What word will come? Yes, ate. Again, read along with me. I read a funny story of a funny rabbit. One day a nut fell on his head. He thought that the sky was falling. So he went to tell the king. On the way he met different animals. All of them joined him. At last they met a clever fox. It took them to a forest and ate them all up. Okay. Next, rearrange these words to form sentences. So here we will make a complete sentence. Okay. So on Funny Bunny fell a nut one day. We will make sentence. One day in a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Falling down the sky is said Funny Bunny. So first is, so the subject is there. Here there are two subjects, the sky and Funny Bunny. But here we are talking about sky. So the subject will be the sky. Subject के बाद में क्या आता है? Helping verb. Helping verb क्या है? Is. The sky is falling down. Who said this? Said Funny Bunny. Like this we will make this one. King, I must the tell. I must tell the king. Lives here the king. The king lives here. Okay. Next, change only one letter of each word and make another rhyming word. We will make rhyming word. We will change only first letter like this. Fell, tell. F-E-L-L. We changed only F and we have written here T-E-L-L. Okay. Like this. Down. We will make gown. Rhyming है ना? King, ring. Met, set. Soon, moon. Day, bat, cat. Okay. Let's do. Look at the pictures. Give the animals the right names. So children, tell me who's this and what's the name of this birds? Yes, chick. This hen, cock. This one is fox and last is duck. Okay, so here your question part is over, children. So learn this chapter. Okay, read this story. After that, learn the question answers. Thank you, children. Have a good day.